rise before me, and the shadows fill my way. I will not walk in fear or worry, for your hand will lead the way. You restore my weary spirit, you revive my heart again. In your presence I find shelter, in your love I will remain. You are my shepherd, you are my guide. Your goodness follows all my life. Oh Lord, you lead me beside still waters. You bring my soul back to life. Through the darkest night and deepest valleys, your love is my strength, my light. I will trust you, I will praise you. Your mercy will never leave. My cup is overflowing forever. My shepherd takes care of me. You prepare a place before me, even in the face of fear. You remind me I am chosen. You have called me to draw near. No storm can steal my worship, no trial